Greetings, class. John Russo here. It's a pleasure to be with you guys again. And I believe I've had some of you in previous classes. Well, I decided to do mine on something different. I saw everybody was using Ember. Thought I'd see if I could find something a little different, so I went with knockoutjs. Um, I'm not gonna lie, this class has been a little rough on me. Between this, the other class I'm taking, and work, it's just it's been a little tough. So what I did is I went ahead and I found an app that we could use. And one thing I've noticed about all these frameworks is they're pretty much the same thing, if you ask me. At least that's what I've seen. The only difference is the way things are named. As you can see here in the index file, instead of using the curly brackets to bind things, this actually uses the data dash bind, and then you put it in there. That's pretty much one of the differences that I've seen. And this app that I found here is actually one that is a contact form, where you can actually give it a name, first name, last name. It's kind of like one of the assignments we've been tasked to do with AngularJS, but this one is actually Knockout. What I did is I went ahead and I found it, and I, tried to find one that I could actually use, as I'm not comfortable writing my own. So I found this one here, and one thing I found is, obviously you're going to have your variables that store the array of objects that has, the first name, last name, and phone number, and it has different ones. And then down here, as you can see, it looks kind of like that other one we did with an add contact, a remove contact, add phone, and then you can actually save it. And this one allows you to actually print the JSON as well. As you can see here, you can come in and you can actually save a new name. I'll do myself and add the number. Put that one in there. It's pretty much the same thing. And then you add contact, and then you can save this, and it'll actually save the ones you had. Like I said, I'm not really comfortable with exactly how these things are working, and I know and I'm trying to learn, but I can't do it myself. But this is the one I found, and like I said, this is an alternative to Angular, and I hope everybody does well in the class. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye.